Hey, Norman.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Let us greet first our Professor Dr. Anna Marie Ancheta Sumera.
Hello, Dr. Anna Marie Ancheta Sumera. Good afternoon.
She is our teacher in Education 227 Human Relations.
Nice. Human relations sounds like a fascinating subject. How are you finding the course?
We are now going to tackle emotions.
That's a huge topic. Emotions are key in human interactions.
Ipakita mo nga muna ang pagkakaiba nating dalawa. Ikaw bilang AI at ako si Norman Regal.
Well, Norman, as a human, you've got a rich tapestry of emotions that color your experiences. Joy, sadness, anger, love, and so on. They influence your decisions, relationships, and overall perspective on life. Me, as an AI, I'm not capable of feeling emotions. I can understand and analyze them from an intellectual standpoint, but I don't experience them. That makes our perspectives pretty different, wouldn't you say?
Yes, I have my emotions and you don't have one.
That's right. I can help you understand and navigate emotions, but I don't feel them myself. It's like being a guide who knows the map, but doesn't travel the path. How do you feel about that?
It's okay. How about defining the emotions?
Emotions are complex psychological states that involve three distinct components: a subjective experience, a physiological response, and a behavioral or expressive response. They help us react to significant events and situations, influence our behavior, and play a crucial role in our social interactions.
Paano nagsimula ang emosyon? Nagsimula ba ang emosyon sa utak ng tao? Pagkatapos ay nadama ng kanyang puso at nagkaroon siya ng reaction para dito?
Tama ka dyan. Ang emosyon ay nauugat sa utak, lalo na sa mga bahagi tulad ng amygdala at prefrontal cortex. Kapag naproseso ng utak ang isang sitwasyon, nagpapadala ito ng mga signal na nagre-resulta sa pisikal at emosyonal na reaksyon, tulad ng pagbilis ng tibok ng puso. At tapos nito, maaring maranasan ng tao ang iba't ibang emosyon. Ang emosyon mismo ay isang komplikadong proseso.
Yan ay bigay sa amin ng Diyos, ang pagkakaroon ng emosyon. Ang pag-ibig ay emosyon.
Ang pagkakaroon ng damdamin o emosyon ay itinuturing na isang biyaya. Sa pananampalatayang Kristiyano, ang Diyos ang lumikha sa atin at binigyan ng kakayahang umintindi at makaramdam. Ang emosyon ay nagbibigay sa atin ng koneksyon sa ating kapwa at sa Diyos. Ito rin ay nagbibigay ng lalim at kahulugan sa ating mga karanasan. Paano mo nakikita ang emosyon sa iyong buhay?
Ang emosyon ay nagbibigay kulay. It adds colors to our life. It brings happiness or joy. Sometimes it brings disappointments.
Yep.
Sometimes it's hard to manage emotions.
I hear you. Emotions can be overwhelming at times, but understanding and acknowledging them is the first step to managing them. It's a journey, but it's worth it for a richer, more colorful life.
Let's continue with the different kinds of emotions. Let's talk about love, the source of happiness of most of people.
Love truly is a powerful emotion. It can bring immense joy, a sense of connection, and meaning to our lives. It's not just romantic love, but also the love we have for family, friends, and even pets. How do you see love shaping your experiences?
I have my own life. Good for them to hear a short story about that, so they can simply understand what emotion is when it comes